Hello everyone, I am Wamiq currently pursuing LLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at LEXIS and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is Western culture promotes divorce. In India, marriages are not a temporary binding but a long-lasting association and as per Hindu mythology, it is a bondage for many lives. The divorce rate in our country is very low compared to the Western countries. Arranged marriage have been a tradition in Indian society for centuries. Marriages are arranged by the parents and other relatives with the consent of both the bride and groom, with the consent of both the bride and groom in most of the Hindu families even today. Arranged marriage in our cultural tradition and are made by the parents after taking into account caste, religion, age, height, status, the background of their families, and astrological compatibility of the boy and girl. In our traditional marriage system, the importance is given to the family background of the boy and girl. That is treated as a guarantee of the lifetime association, but there are some changes in the thinking and values of the people. The impact of Western culture on our life has has also had an impact on our values in respect to the marriage and its longevity. Gone are the days when a woman was the sole breadwinner of the family. Women have shed their inhibition and have come out of their shell. They are more confined to their kitchens. They even started to rule the nation and even dared to set her foot in the space. Women became financially independent and now they have their more individualistic values and beliefs. The change of spectrum is not digestible by dominated culture where the individualistic approach of the woman is intolerable and indigestible. Both being so independent seek respect from their partners and indigestible. Both being so independent seek respect from their partners which if not received makes their ego hurt. This makes them disputation even at the petty issues and further leads to fractured relationships. Moreover, the way of living has become almost fully westernized in metropolitan cities. Such as atmosphere causes a loss of trust between a husband and wife and the problem prolong and proceed until it reaches the point of divorce in many cases. Enormous salary and perks have raised the standard of living millions of taxes, but the joy of a joint family is certainly missing among many of them. Many of the city dwellers have gone in for Western type nuclear families. The elderly are forced to stay separately, and in case they are not in a position to manage independently, the only way out is to resort to the senior citizen homes. In many households, it is not the grandma or grandpa who takes care of the kids, but is either the maid who does the job or children are left to the care of the creatures. However, people fail to recognize that it is not only their children who miss their grandparents' love and care, but also they themselves miss their parents or parents-in-laws' deft advice and help during time of crisis. The presence of elders can lighten a tense atmosphere. Their arbitration can settle disputes and prevent divorce in many cases. With the advancement of the standard of living and following of the Western culture of dating, love marriages, agreements made for a shorter time relationships are definitely showing their impact on a present generation. Live-in relationship, polygamy, teenage love, intense lust, which have their strong base in Western, are also being adopted our youth in India. Today, in age of globalization, Westernization has increased manifold and has engulfed the society in its various aspects from the way of dressing to the way of living and has brought all along its attendant ills. Therefore, it is essential on the one hand to keep up the sanctity of our traditional culture and on the other hand to take up only the good aspects of Western culture. Couples have to treat their profession and family at par, maintaining such a balance, though easier said than done. If kept up, would definitely go a long way in preventing divorces and thus would help in keeping the fabric of the family intact. In conclusion, we can say that Western culture is the only one of the reason in India. The first and foremost reason is that women are becoming capable of standing on their own and are more assertive of their rights as human beings. Men are yet to recognize this need of the present day woman. They still want to dominate the woman and call all the shots in the family. The traditional way of looking at the marriage as a bond between man and woman, where man is supreme and woman is submissive, will no longer work. Both men and women should enter marriage as equal partners with equal concern for each other's well-being and dignity. Marriage should be an epitome of love, commitment, and support. So both the partners should act sensible and support and understand each other. It is better to iron out the wrinkles before taking the extreme steps. So this is all about Western culture promotes divorce. So if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to LEXIS and Company channel. Thank you and have a nice day.